So this is 2025 paper 1 Kcse mathematics question number 9, and we are told a clock which loses 18 seconds every hour was set to read correct time at 8 a.m. on Monday. Determine the time in 12-hour system the clock will read on the following Saturday at 11:20, and you get 3 marks. So for this one, what you need is to calculate the number of hours from Monday to Saturday, from Monday 8 to Saturday 11:20 a.m. So we can do it like this. We have Monday, we have Tuesday, we have Wednesday, we have Thursday, we have Friday and Saturday. So here we are talking 8 a.m. So from 8 a.m. on Monday to 8 a.m. on Tuesday, those are 24 hours. Then from Tuesday to Wednesday at 8 a.m. we have another 24 hours. Then to Wednesday 8 we have another 24 hours. To Friday we have another 24 hours. And to Saturday 8 a.m. we have another 24 hours. Then from 8 a.m. to 11:20, how many hours are there? So we have 11:20, and then we can say 8 on Saturday we have 0, 2, and we have 3. So we have 3 hours 20 minutes. So we are going to add 3 hours and 20 minutes. So we multiply the number of hours, so 24, we multiply by 5, and we add 3 hours and 20 minutes. So this is going to give us 120 hours, and we add 3 hours and 20 minutes. 20 minutes is the same as if you divide, if you say 20 divided by 60, you find this is a third of an hour. So when you add, you get 123 and a third hours. And since every hour the clock is losing 18 seconds, so you say how many seconds are lost in these 123 hours. So you say 123 and a third, you multiply by 18, you get the number of seconds lost in those hours. When you multiply this, you multiply 123 times 3 plus 1, you will be able to get, using your calculator, you should be able to get 370. Divide by 3, that is, you convert that fraction to improper fraction, and you multiply by 18, so that goes with that. Those are 6. When you multiply using your calculator, you'll be able to get 220 seconds. So these are seconds. So how many minutes are those? You divide seconds. One minute is made up of 60 seconds, so you divide by 60, and when you use your calculator, you get these are 37 minutes. Meaning from Monday 8 a.m. to Saturday 11:20 a.m. That clock had lost 37 minutes. So how do we get what will be the clock reading? So you say it is 11:20. You minus the minutes that were lost, which are 37, and you get this is 3. Remainder 1. Carry 1 here, so we have 70 because we are dealing with hours. So 70 minus 4, you get 43, and here it is 0, and we have 1. So the clock will be reading 10:43 a.m. because it has, but the actual time will be 11:20. But because it has lost 18 seconds every hour, then it is behind by 37 seconds and that is how you work out that question. So before I wind up, I want you to join. I would request you to join my WhatsApp group. When you join my WhatsApp group, you'll be able to get direct math questions, free live classes, PDF notes, marking scheme, predictions, and we have voice note explanation that you'll be able. Then if you send your homework every day, I'll be able to assist in homework and guide you on how to go about mathematics. So that is how I can help you if you want to pass maths. If you are repeating the exam, those who are taking either private, as private candidates, reading for yourselves, that is reading on yourself, that this will be very helpful. So contact me in WhatsApp using that number, and we will be able to discuss more. Thank you.